Modern insurance contact centers process thousands of requests every hour. Most of these are no longer simple questions with scripted answers. They are complex, multi-part inquiries that demand immediate action. This diagram shows the typical anatomy of an incoming claims email. It contains a policy number, a detailed narrative from the customer, and multiple heavy attachments, usually dense, multi-page medical PDFs. When these dense file blocks try to pass through a basic traditional chatbot, the system reaches its limit. Built for single threads of text rather than multi-format document structures, the legacy architecture bottlenecks and rejects the attachments. This creates a significant security risk for personally identifiable information. As the system attempts to force these files through, sensitive text data often remains exposed and unencrypted. When automation fails, the burden shifts to human agents. Instead of applying critical thinking to nuanced claims, they spend their time fetching documents, downloading PDFs, and manually retyping patient data. Handling this volume of data requires a secure digital worker capable of end-to-end execution. The WiserGhost low-code platform and its agentic GenAI framework address this bottleneck by automating the entire handling process. The WiserGhost software agent autonomously pulls the incoming email and its heavy file attachments directly from an Office 365 inbox. Before any analytical processing begins, the system engages strict security protocols to protect the data at the point of entry. Take a look at this simulated medical document. To prevent data leaks, the agent anonymizes the file by masking specific fields, like names and social security numbers, and replacing them with neutral markers. Once the data is masked, it feeds into the central brain of the agent. Here, the system extracts the necessary details and builds a sequential execution plan. This planning phase is model agnostic. You can utilize OpenAI, Gemini, or a secure local large language model to drive to logic without changing the operational steps. The framework's strength lies in its ability to securely orchestrate a multi-step operational strategy from start to finish. With the plan set, the software agent moves directly into the execution phase. The system uses this three-pronged routing logic to determine the next step based on the automation's success. In the full success pathway, the agent completes the task autonomously. It updates the backend database, drafts a resolution, generates any required return attachments, and emails the customer. In the partial automation pathway, the agent bundles all pre-processed data and extracted attachments for a human agent, who performs the final review. The automation failure pathway triggers an immediate escalation. This ensures that complex edge cases are handed off to a human expert without delay. By utilizing this triage logic, the contact center turns minute-long administrative tasks into seconds-long approvals. This allows the enterprise to automate routine workflows at scale while retaining the precision and nuance of a human expert. When we shift the perspective from a single email to the entire global infrastructure, the macro-level impact becomes clear. Because the WiserGhost platform is horizontally scalable, this secure workflow is replicated thousands of times every minute across the entire network. IT teams gain an architecture that is leak-proof, LLM-agnostic, and capable of handling thousands of concurrent requests. For business leadership, routine claims move through the system autonomously, allowing human capital to be reserved for high-value, empathetic problem-solving. By bridging rapid processing with rigorous security protocols, the framework creates a stable environment where operational speed and data safety operate in parallel. Transform your contact center with secure, autonomous execution. Contact WiserGhost to get started.